right, I just wanted to post a follow-up video of the X3 Step Up platform from Titan. I showed a video last night of performing hip squats or belt squats with it. This will show the actual platform used in its intended purpose, using a Eisenlink kettlebell down there, using about 85 pounds currently. Went well. With a kettlebell, I think it works quite nicely. You could also use dumbbells. Again, I'm using the Eisenlink kettlebell there. I may actually get a longer screw. I have the lengthened screws in it now that goes up to 85, but there's actually a longer screw that goes to a Eisenlink barbell that actually, I think will bring up to about 125. But overall, pretty happy with the Step Up platform, and well, hopefully it helps someone. All right, I'll sign out. Bye.